Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix Garmin Connect to Strava not working. Are you having trouble that your Garmin Connect is not working with Strava? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. 1. Open your Strava app. Go to the Use section and click on Settings. Now remote access between Garmin and Strava. To do that, click on Manage Apps and Devices. If you have already connected Garmin with Strava, you will be able to remove it from here. 2. Make sure data sharing is enabled from Garmin to Strava. 3. Manually add a text activity on your Garmin device and check if it syncs with Strava. 4. If the issue persists, you can try exporting the original activity file from Garmin Connect and uploading it manually to Strava. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Strava customer support.